So this is how I want you to flesh out your website. Now, this is going to take a little bit of time to be able to do, but I'm going to show you some tricks. And yours doesn't have to look identical to mine, but I think this makes it look a little bit more fleshed out. And this is going to serve as the presentation that you give for the honors portfolio. So you can see on this one, I've already gone through and I've made the pages that I'm going to showcase. And what I'm going to do is this one is going to be about showcasing one of the projects. So first thing is I put in a photo. I put in whatever the project name is. And then down here, I put in the final product, what my research was. In this instance, it would be a Google search, but yours might be a list it might be a screenshot of your Pinterest board. Then any sketches that you've done, any variations that you made, and then any, showing off a lot of the variety of different things, especially if you used Illustrator, you're more than likely have a lot of art boards or different variations. And then I ended up doing 2 mock-ups that are on here. One of the things that you'll notice as I set this up, let me hit publish. And I'm going to view the live site. What I've done here is now when I go to skateboard, I've got this set up to be a light box. And what that means is when you click on it, it will actually expand. So this way you can use these almost like slides when you present. You're like, all right, so here is my finished skateboard. Here's the design. So for my process, what I did was I did research initially. Then I did some sketches, kind of coming up with a variety of different styles that I was looking for. Then I went through and played around a lot with digitizing it and then playing around with different colors and variations. You can see quite a few varieties of things that were here from initial idea to finished piece. And these are some mock-up versions showing you what it would look like in real life. Now down here, you've got your process and you can list out what did you do. And yours may not be this exact same thing, but for most of you, you've got the same kind of idea. Your research, if you have a Pinterest board, go ahead and add a link to it here. Later on, I'll show you how to do links if you don't know how to do it. Sketches, digital work, variation. And then this is the part where you'll actually write out your paragraph for your reflection that explains what did you do? How did you come up with the idea? What was your process? And how do you feel about your finished product? So the whole, basically what you would do for your screencast, but just in a shorter written 1 paragraph format. That is what you're going to repeat for each of the projects that you have. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to delete this page out and I'm going to rebuild this just to show you the basic process of how to use Weebly to create these multiple boards, how to set it up to multiple columns, how to set it up to where you can have this be a light box so that they'll open, and then how, once you have one of these layouts done, how you can copy it and paste it to your other pages so you can save yourself some time.